Today we're going to discuss 5 things I wouldn't do if I was planning to get a divorce. Hello, my name is Jonathan Breeden of the Breeden Law Office, and my office helps families in Johnston, Harnett, and Wake counties, North Carolina, and have for over 20 years. I often get that question as I talk to friends and family and that know I do divorces. They often ask, Jonathan, what shouldn't you do if you're thinking about getting a divorce? I'm going to tell you what I often tell them. The first thing I wouldn't do if I was going to get a divorce is I wouldn't blindside my spouse with the divorce papers. If you are the initiator, you should be direct and honest about your plans. Some people will wait until their spouse is served with the divorce papers to tell them they're even looking for a divorce. Springing the divorce on your spouse will increase the cost of divorce because your spouse will be angry and won't trust you, especially if they never saw it coming. The second thing I wouldn't do if I was thinking about getting a divorce is make nasty comments to or about my spouse, especially in front of the children. If you have children, your relationship with your spouse will not end after your divorce. It will only take a different form, and cooperation will remain important. Avoiding the adversarial path will pay dividends later on for you and your children. Number 3, I wouldn't go and confess all my past sins. Revealing prior mistakes and betrayals, like an affair, may ease your feelings of guilt and help you along the route to forgiving yourself, but will only fuel your spouse's rage. Carefully consider whether your motivations are selfish before unburdening yourself. The fourth thing I wouldn't do if I was considering getting a divorce is empty the joint bank accounts. Some spouses take advantage by withdrawing more than their share from a joint bank account and by running up credit card expenses. The better route is to discuss in advance how to separate the accounts and handle the credit cards. If this approach is unwise in your situation, you could withdraw half of the money and use it to open an account in your name. But don't take all of the money. The fifth thing I wouldn't do if I was thinking about getting a divorce is I wouldn't go and try to hide income and assets. Most income and assets leave a paper trail or other evidence of their existence. Private investigators and attorneys have many methods of uncovering this evidence, and judges will frequently punish the concealers. Just don't do it. If you're thinking about getting a divorce, call me, Jonathan Breeden, at the Breeden Law Office at 919-661-4970, and we can help you not make these mistakes or others and become the hero of your life story.